Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change input's name on your LG TV. So, first of all, connect your external device to your TV using any connection type of your preference. For example, HDMI. I have my PS5 connected with HDMI. And after that, you're gonna either have to go to your home screen and navigate to the Home Hub section right here, or on your remote control, press and hold the inputs button. Select close if you see this screen, and after that navigate to three-dot icon in the top right corner of the screen. Select edit inputs, then select the input that you want to edit, and after that provide a new name or a new label for your input. For example, PS5, and after that let's select enter and then navigate to save option. And so right now the input is renamed to PS5, as you can see. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.